Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we're going to make chicken katsu with white rice. I've got my rice cooking in the little cooker here. I've got my chicken cleaned and pounded out. I've never made this before, so we're just trying it out. I'm going to add a little flour to this plate, about half a cup. This is about a quarter scoop. We can always add more. Gonna add a little panko to this purple plate here. Probably about half a cup as well. I'm not exactly sure how much. I can always add more, but I don't want to waste it. And we might do 1 egg, maybe 2. Probably 2 because that's not much. Some recipes do just egg and panko. Some do flour, egg, panko. I'm gonna mix this up with a fork. This isn't much egg, so we're definitely gonna do 2. It's okay. Cracker in there. Beautiful. Alright, y'all, I've got a couple freaky chicken breast here that I have pounded out thin. It's a little beat up and falling apart. Let's see if we can get a little more coverage. Then I need to carefully dip this in the egg. It's falling apart, y'all. I should have done that on a plate. I might have to get another plate. Alright, y'all. We're just gonna pour this on a plate. I probably would have needed both plate and bowl because that would have been a mess to scramble on this plate. I'm gonna try to keep my one hand wet. Dip in the egg. Drip it off. And carefully coat it in the panko. Oh my goodness. I need to cover this in salt and pepper. Y'all, it happens. Alright, y'all. Salt, pepper. I'm gonna go simple. We want it to taste good, so hopefully that's gonna be enough. I'm gonna need another plate, y'all. So I'm gonna pat this sucker in here. I also think we're gonna need more panko. Press it in really well, sides and all. Shake the excess off. Get those sides and ends. Get this really good and coated. It's actually looking pretty good. I'm gonna have to cut this probably. This is kind of goofy and it's soaking in a little bit. It's pouring outside right now if you couldn't hear it. It's probably a lot of what you can hear. I have some chicken and my family wants something different, y'all. Cover the pieces that are exposed. I'm gonna have to cut this, but right this second I can't. Oh, it's cutting itself. Okay. We're just gonna pull it apart. Oh, okay. What a mess, y'all. It just broke at the seams, y'all. I pounded it and just made a mess. It's okay. I'll cut this into 2 pieces. Just gonna grab a simple little knife so I can take care of this right now. Good enough. A couple little pieces will be pretty crispy and good for leftovers. Okay, y'all. Definitely need a lot of panko. Right, this one's also falling apart. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm a hot mess. Okay, I'm gonna salt and pepper it on the side here. This one's also falling apart and I also did it in the wrong order. We're just making it happen, y'all. Working with what we got. Might have to cut this one as well. Cover it in some egg. Trip off the excess. Panko. And I'm using the same hand. Just gonna use the same hand for wet and dry, y'all. It's gonna happen. Need to press it in there. Press it on. We don't want any chicken showing. Press it on good. We'll get a nice crispy chicken. Chicken katsu, y'all. Right here at home. Okay, we'll shake this off. That piece isn't too bad. Got a little extra piece. This is very messy, especially when you don't do it right. Alright, y'all, this one's a hot mess. Also, it was a cute little piece. Now it's a hot mess. Alrighty. Shake it off. Drip off the excess. Panko. Pat it in as best as you can. Beautiful. Looks pretty good. Couple drier spots. We'll throw some more bread on there. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna leave this one over here because we don't have any more room. And this is it. I'm gonna have to clean up and we'll let those sit a minute while I get my skillet and everything ready. Actually, I'm probably gonna wait because my rice hasn't even started counting down yet. We're steaming. I think it usually starts counting down at around like 9, 10, 11 minutes. So maybe we do start. Looking good, y'all. Alright, y'all. I've got all my stuff set up. I'm going to turn my skillet on. Got some clean oil in there. I'm going to turn it on about half so we can slowly heat her up. Oh, just turned it off. It happens with this stove where you slowly turn it down, but you turn it off. But that's not a big deal. And it's opposite. You turn it to the right, which feels like you'd be turning it up, but that's turning it down. All right, rice hasn't counted down yet. Starting to smell it though. And we'll start frying these up in a minute. All right, y'all, we're going to fry up this chicken. I got about 5 minutes on my rice. My oil is hot. We're gonna get this chicken in the skillet. Let's check out the other side. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, baby, get her in there. I put quite a bit of oil in there. I didn't really want to skimp. Got a lot of dishes to do. We'll check the temp on there after a few minutes. Set it on this paper towel to dry, to drain. And before we get what we want for the stove top, if you've seen our old videos, we had a flipped down counter that went over the stove. We got a new stove. My husband found this vintage Hardwick stove oven and we want to get something for over top of this. We're tiny living, we don't have much counter, so that took a bit of counter away from me. So we had bought this little grate for our old smoker and it didn't work out. It was like $1 at a garage sale, so I tried it for a cooling rack and it actually works perfectly on top of the stove, so I kind of like it. So I'll temporarily use this here and it'll be perfect for doing this chicken up. Might need to kick down the heat. That's okay. The rice cooker will go off in a minute, couple minutes. I'll check the temperature so my family doesn't get sick. It's still pouring rain if you can hear it. Got some nice color on there already. Crazy shapes here, y'all. We'll give that a couple minutes. Alright, y'all. We're also going to make a sauce, but I need to get this chicken out of the pan. Okay, it should be done. Got good color. It's definitely done, y'all. Let it drain off a little bit and fall apart. Okay, get the next bit in the skillet. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna make a little sauce. There's a couple different ways to make it. We're gonna start off with half a cup of ketchup. I actually might like half this recipe, so we'll do about a quarter. Tonkatsu sauce, maybe. Might be butchering it. I've had this before, it's really delicious. We need a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm gonna measure it just because. Tablespoon's quite a bit too, so. Oh. This jug just wants to make a fat mess. Is that a hair more? Oh, okay. Half a tablespoon of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of mirin, sweet cooking rice wine, half a table of this. Okay, smells winey, that's for sure. 1.5 teaspoons of W, 1.5. That means almost half a tablespoon. 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon. That'll bring in some really good flavor. Some ginger and garlic. Now, I don't have fresh garlic, just this kind. Add in a little bit of that and a tiny bit of some ginger powder. Little pinch, like very reserved pinch. All right, we're gonna mix it up. I didn't add brown sugar, so I like to try it first. Wow, it's good. A lot of like a vinegary. Let's add a little brown sugar. Also, this brown sugar is gonna take a minute to dissolve. It's very coarse. Calls for, we're gonna do half a tablespoon because we're halving it. So I'm gonna do like 3 pinches. Chicken katsu. It's like a Japanese style chicken. I've had it at Hawaiian restaurants. Let me tell y'all, they don't have anything like that around here. Haven't even tried Chinese around here. So, okay. Sugar needs to dissolve. That sugar really cut the tartness. I think it could use more garlic. This chicken's pretty thick. My rice already beeped. Let's open that baby up. Let's add some more garlic. Stir this up and try this. Ketchup is very sweet too, so I don't think we need a ton of sugar. It's pretty good. It's really good. Just that little bit of garlic brought out a few more flavors, and it's combining. Oh, that ain't bad. I know what's in it, so I don't know. It's a little less surprising or something. I'm gonna try. Well, it's definitely cooked, so that's good. I'm gonna try a little piece to see what we're looking like. Need salt. After you pull something out of the oil, you should salt it also. I just don't want over-salted food. You just need to make sure that salt to taste good. We'll be here for a minute. It's still raining, just not so hard. I'd like my chicken to be moist and good, but I'd rather my family and I not be sick. I think we're good there. Let's put another couple in. And tiny. Salt it. Let those cook. Alright, y'all, I can see the edges getting golden brown. We're gonna give them a flip. My little guy already flipped him. He's probably done, but just want to be safe, y'all. That one got a little color. Oh, you don't mind a little color. Salt it. Let this one cook up, and we're about ready to plate up our chicken katsu dinner. So good. This oil's really hot, maybe just because it's been on for a minute. I think I'm gonna turn it off. That cast iron should hold enough heat. That sucker's hot. Alright, y'all. All the chicken's out. Looks incredible with that little sauce we have. Hopefully it's delicious. The last two got a little dark. No big deal. Can't wait to plate it up and eat it up. Bon appetit. Let's check it out, y'all. Alright, y'all, we need to slice up this chicken first. I'm really excited for this meal. I don't use this knife too often. I have a favorite knife, and that's usually what I use. I think I might... Let's check this one out. And it's probably going to want to be... Oh my goodness, did you hear that crunch? Yeah. Alright, y'all, let's cut up this earlier chicken. Still pretty juicy. We like a little bit of a smaller piece when we have it with a meal like this. This is the first piece we cooked. Still pretty crunchy, delicious. Try this little end piece. Oh yeah, it's good. I still think it needs more salt. I'm always scared to salt because I don't like a ton of salt. Alright, y'all, let's bowl it up. Super excited. Use the older chicken. Place it on top. It's quite a bit there. Let's take some of that out. Oh, we might add that chunk back. Never know, y'all. That little spoon actually works very well for the rice. I try to keep it somewhat intact, but it's kind of hard with the cut in half chicken. Oh my goodness. Little crisper on there. Yes, y'all. I'm gonna top it with a little salt. And we'll eat this sauce on the side. That's incredible, y'all. Bon appetit. Alright, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, consider giving this video a like, letting us know what you think down below, and subscribing for more. We really appreciate y'all joining us in our kitchen. We love cooking. We love trying new things at home. If you love something, take out at a restaurant, try making it at home, y'all. It's so much cheaper, healthy, delicious, even if it's fried, even if there's not a vegetable. We love cooking. Hope you guys have a fabulous day, night, week. Enjoy spending time with those you love, doing the things you love, and eating the things you love, y'all. We appreciate y'all a ton. Bon appetit. Peace out. I just wanted to let you know this is absolutely incredible. That sauce with the rice and the chicken is so good. It's super sweet, so it's like, I don't know, might be a little weird. No, it's so good. So good, y'all. Give us a try. My family's tearing it up. Delicious.